The big question, after Nifty's strong rebound, the big question, will bullish bets return to Dalal Street? Our call of the day, bullish consolidation shall be the preferred theme on backdrop of an upbeat remarks from US Ambassador Sergio Gore confirmed that New Delhi and Washington are actively engaged in finalizing a trade agreement. Key positive drivers that's likely to keep bulls active. 1. Firm global cues. The Dow Jones is above the 49,500 and moving swiftly toward the psychologically crucial 50,000 level. 2. Rate cut optimism. Street chatter suggests the Federal Reserve may be forced into deeper rate cuts in 2026, a backdrop that could strengthen emerging markets like India. 3. Indian inflation rate rises less than expected. The consumer price inflation rate in India rose to 1.33% in December of 2025 from 0.71% in the earlier month, extending the normalization from the record low of 0.25% in October but below the market consensus of 1.5%. Despite the second consecutive increase, the inflation rate remained sharply below the Reserve Bank of India's tolerance limit of 2% to 6%. Key reaction ahead, TCS Q3 results in line, HCLTech beats estimates. TCS reported Q3 results in line with expectations despite one-time labor code costs impacting net profit. HCLTech outperformed with 33,872 crore rupees revenue, beating estimates and raising FY26 guidance. Long story short, amid intermittent volatility, Nifty bulls may find it difficult to advance decisively, even above the psychological 26,000 mark. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 3638 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 5839 crores. Sentiments are likely to be neutral for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals suggest massive consolidation. FANO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,500 and 26,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index has spiked towards 11.37 levels. At last check, USD INR, January, was trading near the 90.24 levels. Nifty PCR, 27th January, is at 0.92 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 27th January, is at 0.90. Nifty outlook. Bullish traders are likely to trade with caution on any excessive intraday strength as FIIs continue to be on the sell side. This January 2026, the FIIs have already net sold to the tune of 15,425 crores rupees. Caution shall continue to be the buzzword. What technicals tells US on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 5790. Biggest intraday support for Nifty is now placed at 25,601 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 25,941 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 25650 and 25950. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 83878. Biggest intraday support for Sensex is now placed only at 83,401 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 85,151 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 83,400 and 84400. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 59451. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 58,713 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 59,951 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 59,100 and 60100. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. Volatility is set to remain the hallmark of today's trading at Dalal Street, with traders balancing trade deal optimism, earnings momentum, positive global policy cues as against persistent FIIs selling. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Hindustan Zinc, plus 3.86%, 630 rupees. Hindustan Zinc rose smartly, extending gains to about 5.4% over 2 sessions as silver prices surged to fresh record highs. Hindustan Zinc, one of the world's top 5 silver producers, stands to benefit as silver contributes majorly to its EBIT. 2. Tejas Networks, minus 8.91%, 380 rupees. Tejas Networks slumped on reporting dismal Q3 performance as the company reported a consolidated net loss of 196.55 crore rupees in Q3 FY26, compared with a net profit of 165.67 crore rupees recorded in Q3 FY25. 2. Global Spirits, minus 3.85%, 1,017 rupees. Global Spirits slumped even after the company's standalone net profit skyrocketed over 15 times to 31.42 crore rupees on a 19.1% increase in revenue from operations, excluding excise duty, to 716.39 crore rupees in Q3 FY26 over Q3 FY25. 2. IREDA, plus 5.34%, 142 rupees. Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency, IREDA, advanced 2.93% after the company's consolidated net profit rallied 15.42% to 1,381.36 crore rupees on 26.80% increase in total revenue from operations to 6,135.08 crore rupees in Q3 FY26 over Q3 FY25.